Hello everyone, this is Olivia at OMG Artistry, and I have teamed up with It's 10 today to showcase the original, the cult favorite, It's 10 Miracle Leave-In. One of my favorite products to this date, one that I use all the time. The It's 10 Miracle product is the original product for restoring shine, for eliminating frizz, and restoring hair's natural beauty. I just came from the shower. I only shampooed my hair. I wanted to show you exactly how easy it is to use the It's 10 product with all of its 10 added benefits. So to do a full review of the product, I'm going to give you an idea of the smell, how the product feels, and what it feels like afterwards. It doesn't have an overly perfumey smell, but it definitely smells very clean. The one way to tell that if it is a real product from It's 10 is if you order through the website or any professional distributors. So one way to show is you turn it upside down and there will be no liquid that comes out at all. And as you can see, this is a completely full bottle. Usually my rule of thumb is with your hair is you want to take your hands and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.5, okay? What I'm gonna think of is if my hair is shorter, I'm gonna wanna use 2 to 3 pumps, a little longer, 3 to 4, a little longer, 5 to 6 pumps throughout the entire hair. And less is always more because you can always add more. Of course, with any styles, you always wanna brush from the bottom and work your way up. Do you see how easy it is for me to brush my hair right now? The #1 ingredient inside of the It's 10 Miracle Leave-In is Pathanol, and that is a highly effective strengthener. So whether you're doing air-dried styles, whether you're doing heat styling, it's gonna consistently over and over and over help to restore your hair's health. The sunflower seed extract also helps. That is a natural sunscreen that guards against hair for color fading as well as brassiness. So granted, I do have blonde hair, so that will help me with the brassiness. But if I was a brunette, it would prevent the oranginess. If I was a little darker, it would prevent to keep my hair dark if I was dyeing it. So with that being said, I am going to blow dry this style, and I'm going to show you exactly how beautiful and healthy my hair feels. This has really helped me to bring out the natural luster of my hair as well as the manageability. As you can see, it's super shiny, it feels extremely silky, and it looks indefinitely healthy. As I was blow drying my hair, I felt that I wasn't getting that resistance or frizz like I normally would. Thank you guys so much for having me. Make sure you follow at OMG Artistry and at It's 10 Haircare on Instagram.